Title: Creating Your Own YouTube Channel, a Step-by-Step Guide. Opening Scene. Host: Welcome to today's video, where we'll guide you through the process of creating your very own YouTube channel. Whether you're a content creator, aspiring influencer, or just someone looking to share your passion, we've got you covered. Step 1. Planning your content. Host: The first step in creating a successful YouTube channel is defining your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you want to share with the world? Take a moment to brainstorm and narrow down your content focus. Step 2. Setting up your Google account. Host: To start a YouTube channel, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, head over to Google and create an account. Once that's done, you'll have access to all of Google's services, including YouTube. Step 3. Creating your YouTube channel. Host: Now, let's dive into the technical aspect. Go to YouTube, click on your profile picture, and select Create a Channel. Follow the prompts to set up your channel name, profile picture, and cover art. This is your channel's first impression, so make it memorable. Step 4. Customizing your channel. Host: Personalize your channel by adding a channel description, social media links, and organizing your content into playlists. This not only makes your channel more appealing, but also helps viewers understand what you're all about. Step 5. Uploading your first video. Host: It's time to share your content with the world. Click on the Create button and select Upload Video. Choose your video file, add a catchy title, description, and tags. Don't forget to set a thumbnail. It's the visual hook that entices viewers to click. Step 6. Optimizing for search. Host: Make sure your videos are discoverable by optimizing them for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps YouTube understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. Step 7. Engaging with your audience. Host: Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and engage with your viewers on social media. Building a community around your channel is key to long-term success. Closing Scene. Host: Congratulations! You've just created your own YouTube channel. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating content, refining your skills, and most importantly, have fun on your YouTube journey. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips. Thanks